It is mid-June and we are finally here in Zone 5 harvesting beautiful garlic scapes, thousands of them. And I'm excited to share with you a few tips how we harvest garlic scapes on Fruition seeds, and also I'm excited to share with you some of my favorite recipes. I just made a little ebook and I'd love to share it with you. So how do we harvest garlic scapes? So first let's talk. Garlic scapes only form on hard neck garlic, not on soft neck garlic. The garlic that you braid is soft neck, doesn't have these lovely hard necks, if you will, and that hard neck forms at the very base of the bulb, goes all the way up through the stalk and emerges to form this kind of beautiful, it looks like it wants to become a flower, but it's going to flower approximately, but not in a like sexual, like we're going to recombine DNA way. It's creating vegetative propagules called bulbils, and those you can plant. It's a whole other story. I don't especially recommend it, but there's really no reason not to. Okay, there are a few reasons, but they make these beautiful bulbils instead. So there's some ambiguous science, which is really fascinating, as to whether or not you're actually increasing bulb size by removing the scape, and which is just kind of counterintuitive because you're removing all of this energy, especially all this reproductive energy, which is notoriously taxing on many species across kingdoms. But anyhow, you want to be harvesting. I always harvest these scapes because I don't care if it's increasing the bulb size. I just think they're delicious, and they are. So there's kind of no reason not to. It also makes it that much easier to harvest them and to cure them if you have removed these beautiful scapes. So yes, I always remove the scapes, and they emerge about 1 month before you're harvesting the garlic. So as soon as we are harvesting the scapes, we're kind of putting our ducks in a row, making sure the space where we're going to clean and cure the garlic is all set up. So I'm excited to share with you some of our recipes too. So I just made this sweet little ebook. It has a garlic scape pesto recipe. It also has 2 different pickle recipes. One that's a vinegar pickle, another that is a lacto-fermented pickle, and they are so luscious. We make lots of all of these things, and there's a bunch more ideas for you too. So if you're excited about that, check out our blog and opt into that little ebook. Send me your email and I will send you it, compliments of Fruition, because what else am I here to do? I'm just growing delicious food so I can eat it, so I can share it with people that I love, and I'm glad that you're one of these people. So happy June, happy almost solstice, and enjoy every garlic scape and all of the garlic to come.